Well, moving on, the Nairobi Securities Exchange is looking at new listings in the growth enterprise market segment that it recently introduced to boost investor participation. Speaking during the NSC's first ever annual general meeting, the Chief Executive, Geoffrey Odundo, said there's increasing interest among Kenyans to take part in the stock market. The Nairobi Securities Exchange is driving a campaign to get more small and medium-sized enterprises to list at the Securities Exchange.
The listing of companies is our core agenda. As part of our strategic plan for 2015-2019, we have identified it as a key pillar towards growing our market. Currently, we have 64 companies with a total market cap of 2.4 trillion. We have a strategic plan to take this to 100 listed companies with a market cap of 4 trillion.
A large number of SMEs have shied away from listing, with the number not being ready to cede control.
The SME companies, the owners have a challenge in terms of letting go, or rather, these are private businesses, and then you all of a sudden have to cede certain percent of your business to third parties. So there's the issue about sort of reducing your stake in the company. We are working on incentives and also engaging with potential issuers. The accelerator towards listing for us will be the growth and enterprise market segment. I know since its inception 2 years ago, we've only had 4 companies, but we've conducted a study and just to find out what is the issues that are inhibiting entry. And out of that study, we are now engaging with the transaction advisors and even with the regulator to find a way of incentivizing more interest in this market.
Under GEMS, SMEs will be able to raise capital from the stock market, which enjoys relatively high liquidity.
At the exchange, we are currently focused on broadening our product range. As you're aware, we've been working on our derivatives market. We've been working and setting up the infrastructure, building capacity within the industry, and now we're about to embark on a public education program that will basically educate investors on what derivatives are.
The rapid growth of SMEs in the country has been driven by increased access to credit and a fast-growing consumer base across East Africa.